Hey there. I wanted to show you guys a design for an elevator made out of sand and pistons. So here's the inner workings of the design. We have two pusher pistons on the side and two on the bottom. There is no slime used on any of these pistons, they're just regulars. And on the horizontals we have blocks that can't be moved. I chose furnaces, so I have one there, and then I have another one up there in the ceiling. The way this is wired up, you have a single wire coming into bottom piston. You have another one coming in over here that is knotted, and then the knot input goes into the horizontal. And so what happens is when power is given to this, the bottom piston lifts up, the side one retracts instantly, which leaves an open space for sand to fall down into. And then when the power is taken away, this horizontal pushes the sand block over that just fell into it, and the process repeats. So to make this automated, you have a clock circuit, which this is mine here. I have another one right next to it to do the retraction, and a few other things going on here, which I'll explain in a second. So we'll go ahead and get this thing started. So we inject a pulse, which is simulating a person hitting a button to start the elevator. And then these pistons are going to go ahead and start running here and lifting the sand. So obviously the reason why this works is pistons can move blocks faster than the sand is capable of falling into those open spaces, and because of that, you can run this. These blocks can slide around faster than the sand just going back to the place that it was. The extra circuits I have going on here are because the whole thing resets to a 0 state after running, so my clocks do not run 24/7. And that's purely for system performance, because this is a shared map with some friends. So this is it working in reverse. And so as you can see, two of the pistons are going to remain idle while the other two do the work, and then the opposite is true depending on which way you're going. So this is the inner workings of the thing. We're going to go ahead and run upstairs and check this out from the user's perspective. Heading up here. So this is the building that we're going to be using the elevator to get into. The only axis is a single column vertical with no other way in, and so that's why the need for an elevator existed. So we come up here, hit the button, and that's going to start the sand blocks being lifted up. And so it's going to put us up here. One thing I want to make note of is this is obviously not real quick. It is very capable that you could tune these clocks to work probably twice as fast as they currently do and still have the sand fall into place correctly. When I got this design working, I didn't take the time to do that, to tune it. So if somebody else is doing it and it's a main axis for them, they can play around with those clocks and get those working better. So we'll go ahead and hit the other button here, which is going to make it retract. And then we just go here and stand on our elevator as the sand blocks all fall down into place. And there we go. Back down to where they were. And that's it. So there you guys go. It's a effective design for a sand elevator using pistons. I hope someone can figure out something pretty cool to do with that. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it.